I'm sure you all remember the OG Lara Croft, the pixelated icon from the old Tomb Raider games. Well, it's 2024, and just like everyone else, she's had a major glow-up. You might remember that this baddie is a cosplayer, but what if I tell you that such a drastic shift from pixel image to a high-resolution, realistic-looking image is done with a new AI tool? Ever since AI got so advanced, image upscaling has become way better. You can now boost image quality and make edits without messing up the resolution. Actually, you can even make the image resolution better. The new Lara Croft image was upscaled using Magnific. It's an amazing tool that does a fantastic job, but it's pretty expensive and can be heavy on your wallet. We don't want that, do we? So, in today's video, we're checking out Krea AI, a new AI image upscale and editor. This tool is super powerful and works in real time. Just like Magnific, but it won't drain your wallet. We're going to see how it works and explore all the cool features it offers. So let's dive in and see how to get the most out of Krea AI. Krea AI is a free AI image and video generator that works in real time based on prompts. So basically, it takes your written descriptions and transforms them effortlessly into realistic-looking images. Since it is real time, whatever changes you make, you get to see them being applied right away, which is truly amazing. Take a look at this user testing the real-time image generation of Krea AI. Isn't that cool? But behold, because not only can you see your desired results in seconds, but you can also explore different art styles to use for your output. For instance, here the user explored different tools of Krea AI to get artistic-looking images. See how well Krea AI can literally make you a piece of art that belongs in a gallery? With real-time image generation, you can draw anything or any shape and watch the tool do its magic. For instance, look at the images it creates with just a simple scribble of lines and a rough sketch. These are some sample images that Krea AI has available on their webpage for users to see the true potential of the AI-powered tool's real-time generation. This amazing technology of Krea AI isn't just limited to image and video generation, as you can explore plenty of more options to play and test this tool. One of the most impressive ones that I'm going to discuss is its image upscaling feature. When selecting the upscaling and enhancing feature of Krea AI, you come across 3 sample images to help you get an idea of its true potential. One of the sample images is of a glass of water with lemons around it. You can see how well the resolution of the picture becomes, making it seem realistic. Out of the 3, I feel the most realistic upscaling is the frog image. If you compare the upscaled picture of the frog with the before one, you can see that not only does Krea AI fill in the resolution, but it also improves the skin texture and the quality of the image as well. I mean, the frog gets a weird little tongue as well, and overall the image gets a good pop of color, making it seem that the image has been captured through a high-definition camera. But the best part is, it keeps the elements all in place similar to the original photo, as you don't see any sort of distortion in the prompt generated. So if you want to test Krea AI's potential all by yourself, I have got you covered. So to start off, you can select any sort of image that you want to upscale. For me, I wanted to see its potential, so I chose an image that was already in a good resolution. So here is the image that I chose. As you can see, this cute little birdie is already looking pretty cool, and the image quality is also good. To enhance this image, I just simply placed the image in the Enhance tab of Krea AI and clicked the Enhance button. Here's the result that was generated. Now keep in mind that I didn't make any specific adjustments, which I'm going to discuss later in the video. But even with this, you can see that the image looks a bit more alive. The feathers are a bit well defined, and there is a pop of color which makes it seem even more realistic. This enhancement makes the birdie look a bit more present and active, as if it is aware that you are capturing its picture, and this is what makes this tool magical. This time I purposely chose a low-resolution image so I could put Krea AI's image upscaling and enhancement to test. As you can see, the image that I chose is pretty blurry. I mean, you can tell that it has food in it, but nothing is clear to identify the items correctly. Now, I thought doing so would make the AI tool crumble, as it wouldn't be able to figure it out, but to my surprise, Krea AI came through and conquered once again. This is the enhanced image, and I must say, it is pretty impressive. If you compare this with the before image, you can see that there is a drastic change in the resolution and quality. I mean, look at the quality and blend of colors Kare AI used. Now let's focus on other features that can be used to enhance the image upscaling process with Kare AI. You can also use the negative prompt to avoid things that you don't want in your final result. You can mention that distortion and blurriness are something that you are trying to avoid, and the tool will do exactly what you desire it to do. What I like the most about Kare AI is the fact that you get unlimited generations for free. But if you were to do the same kind of thing with Magnific, you would be required to empty your wallets. Kare AI is free to use and is also pretty simple and easy in my opinion as well. Speaking of fixing blurry images, Kare AI is all here to help, as it could help you find potential in blurry and distorted images with simple and quick enhancement. Here's my take on the Taylor Swift upscaling using Kare AI. I just simply placed the downloaded image of Taylor Swift that was low in resolution and placed it in the Enhance tab of Kare AI. Then I left the upscaling factor to 2x and didn't fill the negative prompt. With 2x upscaling, I got the following result. I mean, it's not bad, but it is also not good, to be honest. The tool did manage to give it a more realistic look, but I think it needs a bit more upscaling. So this time, I chose a 4x upscaling factor to see what I would get. The tool does take a few minutes to process and generate results, but it is actually worth it in the end. Now, this time, as you can see, I got much better. In fact, beautiful results. If you compare this with the original picture, there is no way one would believe that this is the enhanced version of the original. The character looks a bit more realistic, especially the facial features look more human-like, except for the hands. I think AI needs to figure out what to do with hands because it always creates a mess when making hands. But despite that, the results are pretty magical. This shows that Kare AI does have a lot of potential that can be really helpful in content generation. In the rise of AI, where every day we get to see a new product launch that shocks the AI community with its capabilities, Kare AI happens to be another addition. It is a real-time generative AI tool that takes text as input from users and generates images and videos with the help of AI according to the user's requirements. Not only this, Kare AI is also a pretty effective tool when it comes to image upscaling and enhancement, as it can easily transform low-resolution images into something spectacular. Kare AI can be really helpful in photography, as it can help us use low-resolution pictures by unlocking their maximum potential. And the best part of all of this is that Kare AI is free to use. It offers unlimited generations of real-time image videos and also upscaling of images as well. They do have a paid option to unlock maximum features, but for now, I think their unlocked version is also pretty versatile in terms of usage. Kare AI is set to change the way we upscale images forever. So, what are your thoughts on Kare AI? Do you think that this tool can help restore images that have lost their potential? Or do you think that this can assist photographers and media editors in the generation of content? Are you going to play with Kare AI's impressive tools? Let us know in the comments section below.